I'm Mark Matsumoto and welcome to my Tokyo kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make an authentic Japanese tempura sauce that you can use to dip anything from my tempura shrimp to my kakiage. It's easy to make and insanely flavorful, so let's start with a look at our ingredients. 1 cup of quality dashi stock forms the basis of tempura sauce, and I'll include a link to my dashi recipe in the video description below. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Our condiments for the dipping sauce are just daikon radish and some fresh ginger. To prepare our condiments, I'm going to start by peeling the ginger. Any blunt metal edge like the side of a spoon works well for peeling the papery skin off ginger. Once your ginger's peeled, you want to grate it finely using something like a microplane or this grater spoon that you can pick up in my kitchen shop using the link in the video description. For the daikon, I'm going to start by peeling it. Daikon can have a fibrous layer under the skin, so it's important to peel it relatively thickly using a knife, or if you're using a peeler like this, just go over the same spot 2 or 3 times. Now I'm gonna grate this to make daikon oroshi, which is a popular condiment in Japan for sauces and grilled seafood. This ceramic grater is the perfect tool for the job, and it's also available in my kitchen shop. By the way, the top part of daikon is sweet, and the bottom tends to be spicier, so I recommend using the top half for making daikon oroshi. Like most radishes, daikon is mostly water, so you'll want to pour your daikon oroshi into a strainer and let it drain for a few minutes so your tempura sauce doesn't get watered down. I like serving these condiments on the side, so prepare a mound of each on a small plate so each diner can customize their sauce to taste. To make the tempura sauce, I'm going to add the dashi to a small saucepan, along with the sake, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Then you want to bring the tentsuyu to a full boil. Cook this for about a minute or until it no longer smells like alcohol. Now I'm gonna divide up our tempura sauce between these adorable neko hasami cat bowls that are the perfect shape and size for any dipping sauce. You can pick them up through my tableware collection on Musubi Kiln, and I'll include a link in the video description down below. Okay, our tempura sauce is ready to go, so let's add a bit of ginger and some of that grated daikon. This is gonna help the sauce cling to our tempura. Then you can dip your favorite piece of tempura into the sauce and enjoy it. The dashi in that sauce smells so good and I'm starving, so let's try this out. Itadakimasu. All right, you got some really crispy tempura here. It's savory and packed with umami with just a hint of smokiness from the dashi, and that daikon and ginger gives it a refreshing edge that keeps the tempura from getting heavy. I mean, anything fried is gonna be delicious, but when you deep fry it until it's super crispy and dip it in this umami packed sauce, it just takes it to the next level. All right, let's try some kabocha pumpkin here. So the trick is to dip it just enough to get some of that dashi onto there, but not so much that you make your tempura soggy. I think you figured it out, but this tempura sauce is super easy to make at home, so I hope you'll give it a try. Well, I've got some orchids that need repotting, but check out this playlist for all of my tempura recipes that go with this sauce. And I'll catch you in the next one.